Do you remember last summer? There I got a bird. At first I was very glad about this, but something was very strange. Whenever someone passed by the bird, he started to chirp. I have never understood why he did this.
Shut up!
A friend gave me the tip I should try to use sticky tape. But it didn't work. Wherever I went, he was already there.
Fuck you!
Always. And everywhere. It was a horrible time for me.
God! You fucking son of a bird!
But then, one day, something unbelievable happened.
Uh-oh.
My bird, my hero, my friend.
Once upon a time, in a land far away from here, there was living a king, the king of Birdie Land. He had a beautiful daughter. One day she went into the garden and suddenly she saw a bird. Ist das von links oder von rechts?
Scheißegal, auf jeden Fall hast du jetzt schon mal ein Outtake.
Take over. Fucking bird of a bitch, vergiss es. Bye.